It's a little nippy out here. Eric has a really bad hairdo. He needs to cut it all off. I hate his hair. Here, you want to see how... Do you have a problem with me? This is a big hammer I got here. Fizzy pops are funny. Eat chocolate chips are fun to eat. Chocolate chips are fun to eat. I said peanut butter. Please, madam. I eat children for fun. How you doing? Freak of nature. Fucking freak of nature. This is a big hammer I got here. Shit. Fucking freak of nature. Fun too. Make sure that Eric does not know that I hate his hair. Hopefully he's not listening. Oh shit. Boo! No! No! Cheeseburger! Oh shit!
What the hell are you doing? Oh my god. You ruined it.
Do you want to know?
I didn't hit that. Oh, I did. Screw it. Ugh.
You gave me a teddy bear! Do it! Freak of nature.